Hi, this is just a very short video just explaining some of the challenges we face here at EV Power when we send stuff out to people. We make up these amazing harnesses for our controllers. So these are designed for our Sevcon Gen 4 controllers, the low voltage controllers, and we go to a lot of trouble to kind of label the harness correctly and make sure everything is set up, you know, all the plugs and everything are right, so it's just basically plug and play with our motors. So we've got switches and pots and things on there to do stuff, and connectors, but sometimes people get the idea that they can cut into the harness and modify things, and not blaming anybody, but this is just an example of what one of our clients has done, and the motor's come back to us and, you know, saying it's not working. Well, it's pretty obvious to me why it's not working. That we sent out one of our harnesses and it's been modified to such an extent that it's actually going to take us a lot of time to debug this, and ultimately that's a cost to the customer, unfortunately. So if you are buying one of our EV kits, think twice before you cut the harness.